Hello guys, this is the Claret and Blue Train Spotter here. Welcome back to another video. Now, you might be thinking, hold on, you said after the Leicester video you were going to Rugby. There's been a slight change of plan. It ain't all bad though, it's still a good station, ain't it, Birmingham International, on the West Coast Mainline, where you still see Avanti West Coast and Northwestern Railway. There is going to be a freight train turning up, and you're also going to see cross-country transport for Wales on West Midlands Railway. There's West Midlands Railway service that pulled in from Birmingham New Street. There's 35126 with a classmate on the front, 248 I think it was. The 1550 to Birmingham New Street from London Euston. Yeah. The reason... and this is the freight. This will be from Birch Coppice GBRF to London Gateway GBRF. 66776. Nope. Yeah, I'll carry on explaining myself now actually. The reason I'm not at Rugby right now is because, well, where do I start? Long story this. Long story. Basically, when I was at Leicester, I was on the train, waiting to go. And then some clown decided to go and drive into a bridge between Leicester and Nuneaton. That held up my train for about an hour. Well, it felt like an hour. I didn't get into town. I didn't get into New Street until about 15. Yeah, 3:15. And then I just thought, it's too late to go Rugby now. There's a Pendolino down there coming in. I just thought it was too late to too late to go to Rugby. So I just thought, do the next best thing, go to International. At least then you're doing something. Like I said, this is my penultimate video of the year. Just waiting for this 66. Yeah, you've told us that. Where is it? Yeah. Here's 392148 going Edinburgh. Here he comes. Yeah, this is going to be the only freight train you get here as well. I'm not going to be spending too long here. Also, while I'm here, depending on whether or not I do catch him, you are going to get the planes. There's one. I don't know how clear these planes will be though. I don't know how much you'll see of them, but you will see them. There will be planes going into Birmingham Airport. Yeah, we get it. You no need to shout. No need to shout. No need to shout. You got a microphone for a reason. You got a mic for a reason, hen. This is from Tenerife, Jet2, Boeing 737. Yeah, we get it. The train's been cancelled. Yeah, it's been cancelled. Yeah, shock. What's new? There's literally no need to shout, man. Mic. Oh yeah, what have I just done? Hypocrite. Where's he gone? He's gone down behind him, innit? Yeah. Anyway, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Let's see what shall arrive, depart, and pass by here at Birmingham International. Okay, 39148 is now getting ready to depart with the 1548. 1548, where the hell have you got that from? The 1555 Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh. Has a Transport for Wales service been cancelled by any chance? Because I don't think you mentioned that yet. Not gonna lie, I'm getting quite bored of hearing about that. Yeah, do you really think people are going to be waiting... How long? Do you really think people are going to be waiting an hour? Yeah. I mean, I suppose they're going to have to if they actually need to get it, to be fair, but... Okay, I don't know if you can see it in the clouds, but we've got some random thing coming in now from Frankfurt. Doesn't say a company or anything on flight radar. Just says... It doesn't even say it's from Frankfurt. I had to trace him back, I'm not going to lie. I had to tap on the plane and follow his trail, basically, to his origin point, and it turned out to be Frankfurt Han Airport. Where is he going? There he is. I don't even know if you can see this. Not gonna lie, the view of the planes from here isn't as good as the view of the planes from Aston Green. Where's he going? There he is, you can see him in the trees there. It's a lovely sunset, that, isn't it? Okay, our next arrival is going to be a Turkish Airlines flight, an Airbus A321 from Istanbul. Yeah, I'm not going to spend too long here, probably about an hour. I think an hour will do me here. Much prefer filming these at Maston Green. Okay, now coming in is going to be 221131 and 220020 for cross country, working the 1614 service to Bournemouth from Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, looks like he's about ready to depart. I'm going to absolutely stink a diesel now, but I don't really care, because I've got a great deal of warmth standing next to him there. I didn't realise standing right next to a Voyager could just make me so happy and relaxed. just a pity he has to depart. As behind me is going to be 39104 working the 1613, I think it is. Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street from London Euston. Alston Pendolino. Okay, I think he's now off. Autofocus really just does want to go to bed. You can just about make out up there an Aer Lingus flight from Dublin. Either I've gone deaf or he's very quiet. Okay, now coming in is going to be 39157, which is going to be our final train in this video, I'm afraid. He's working the 1621 from Blackpool North to London Euston. Yeah, basically, the reason I'm ending it is literally because it's cold and it's getting dark. I'm sorry that it isn't the longest video in the world. I did say I spend an hour here, but I've only been here really half hour. Yeah, it's just been a bit meh. I mean, yeah, I've enjoyed myself here today. But I think it's just, with everything that's gone on today, I wanted to go rugby today. You know what I mean? I wanted to go rugby. I didn't want to come here. I wanted to go rugby. I mean, I don't mind being here. Rugby's just better though, isn't it? But yeah, I do like Birmingham International though, and you know what, next year we'll have to come back here and do a proper video here when I actually want to be here, you know what I mean? Today it's just been one of those where, say if this was rugby now, say if everything had gone to plan like I wanted it to, like all the trains were running on time, that clown decided to drive in a straight line instead of driving into a bridge. Most likely it was a lorry driver, to be fair, probably trying to drive under a 2-foot bridge. Yeah, if none of that had happened, I'd have gone to rugby happily, and you'd probably be getting an hour-long video from there, really. But I think today it's just, I mean, yeah, you've got your video from Leicester. I think that will probably do well. This one, I can't see this one doing too well, because, like, by my own judgment, it probably ain't the best video on the planet, is it? But you know what? We soldier on. I'm going to upload it anyway, because you know why? You know what? Why not? Literally, I can't even speak here, so it probably is a good idea that I'll go home and get some rest. Yeah. My next station is going to be Lichfield Trent Valley. That'll be my final station of the year. Yeah. It is absolutely freezing here, which, yeah, like I say, it's one of the main reasons why I am going home early. Well, I call it early. Does it look early? Not really. Yeah. I'll wait until he departs, so I'll do a proper outro.
This is a passenger safety announcement. If you have heavy luggage or pushchairs, lifts are located at the centre of all platforms and on the concourse.
Thank you. I mean, I'm expecting lifts here, to be fair. And if there isn't lifts, then, oh well. We soldier on. Alright, what's going on here? Yep, it's going, yeah, lovely. Yeah, like I say again, sorry for this being such a short video, but yeah, it's just been, Birmingham International weren't the plan. You know what I mean? The plan was rugby, Chamfara. The plan today was Leicester and rugby. But you've still got 2 videos. Like, yeah. I just think mainly because there's nothing really to be waiting for here now. Either really, you're just going to be seeing the same stuff. It's just going to be all. I mean, yeah, I don't mind seeing Avanti and that, but like, it just get a bit repetitive, to be honest. You've seen the freight train. That's enough. Yeah. Like I say, next video, will be the final video of the year at Lichfield Trent Valley. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, and if you dislike, please tell me why and how I can improve. Go and follow me on Twitter, link in the description. And until Lichfield Trent Valley, which will be done in December most likely, at some point, I shall see us all later. Bye.